something down there.
Oh, that. Oh!
And push this thing out of here. Keep going. Oh, here comes the rain. Alright, that's out. Well, the truck get his car in here. I got magnets, I guess. Like that.
And then now.
Yeah, this will go tense now. So, get the toes out of the way. Ten's there, and you got the 10 there by the. Yeah, this is a brace to hold everything together, and then you got the bolts on the shroud itself to take it off. There you go.
Yeah!
Atta boy. We got all this room to play with.
Alright, so yeah. So I guess, yeah. But
Take off that hose there, let it drain out.
Alright.
Yep.
Alright.
Want to use the impact gun on that? I got a 500 foot-pound torque. You can make sure it comes off.
Already starting to leak.
And then drain it into a nice, safe environment. So you got a little drain pan down there, and it catches it all.
That's cool. We don't have to go underneath it.
Yeah, just let that drain out that way. Now, on these, you want to go super delicate because sometimes it sees up inside there, and if you snap one off, well, you know what happens then.
We're gonna get another GXP.
Yeah. Yeah, we just put this in the lot with the rest of them.
I'm sure Lisa would be thrilled. See, this one, the front one doesn't seem that interesting.
You might put a wrench on that one.
Yeah.
I have a 10 with a, what you call it?
That's why I was wondering if you had the bend on the one.
Got this one right here. Here, try this out.
Yep, that works. All right. So it looks okay. So they can see you got it at the angle right.
So you got the back one out.
Well, it's not completely out, but
It's there.
Coming in from this angle right here.
Oh, I need some light. All right.
All right, you should be able to. Let's see. You see it right there?
Somewhat. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. So that one's pretty much a straight shot. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to have a swivel, but you might be able to do it without one.
All right. And she's out. How's it look? Huh. Clean. That cleans up a little bit. This neck.
Don't look too bad.
Want to drill some holes in it?
Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Well, they can do that in a new one?
It depends on how cool you want to run, but yeah, it can help a little bit.
I like it to run a little bit cooler.
You gotta clean it up down there too. Got a little little gunk there. You gotta clean the hose and clean that with a wire brush. Alright, so we need to clean up the housing. We need to clean this up.
Okay.
Make it nice and pretty. Clean the one down there. And then inside the hose, clean that out too. Because all this is, you know what, when you do that hose clean, it start leaking because of this, all this corrosion right here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, let's take that clamp off.
Look, this stuff here, see?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about there. Make sure all this stuff's off of there. So keep the seal in better condition. It'll seal better. The whole point of this. Got that all polished up there. And with a hose, we'll have a nice smooth seal when it goes back on. Got to clean the inside a little bit, but the inside ain't bad. This is the important part here. So it doesn't leak. So you clean the surface of the water housing there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That should make a nice seal.
All right, now for the fun part.
We assemble it all. Where is that? Oh, it's over there. I'm limited to these wires. There you go.
Alright.
It's all cleaned up too. Inspect it. Make sure you like it. You happy with that?
Yeah, yeah. That's nice. Alright.
You sure want to take off that exhaust manifold?
I'm good.
It's only a bunch of rusty bolts that may or may not snap in the head. Oh. Drop it?
Yeah, I did.
Sorry, as long as you got one on.
Yeah, I got one on.
You want the magnet? It's probably in that pan down there. Pull the pan.
Yeah.
Just pull it up front. No? I heard it hit that pan. Guess it hit this thing.
I got it.
You got it? Can you reach it? Here, use this. You grab it. You gotta be that damn proud, man. You can use these things, you know?
I am proud.
No, yeah, ain't you proud? Don't need this, huh? Okay, fine. Well, you need it. I'm not gonna give it to you.
What's that? I see why this guy put this on there. Just did us a favor on that.
Yeah, the factory one is
He probably did that and just stopped. He's like, all right, I'm done with this thing. And he did it at an angle like that, so saves us all some time. Instead of,
yeah.
I don't understand why some people, they put it on crazy angles where you can't even get a hold of them. Yeah, I deleted it more.
Oh, is that your special mix?
Yeah.
With the Fiji water, with the carbon charcoal filtration.
Yeah. It's got lost water in it.
I use Icelandic in my car. It keeps it cooler. Fire it up. And drink it. All right, top it up. Put more in there. Man, we gotta change these lifters out soon, man.
Oh, that. Oh!
No wonder I was like, shit. You forgot.
And you know what? I didn't even.
You didn't even hook up the temp sensor yet?
Yeah. And the thing is, I didn't even touch it. All I did was this, and it shocked the crap out of me.
I know, I was waiting for you. That's why I didn't say anything.
Oh, you wanted it to shock the shit out of me?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I thought it'd be fucking hilarious.
Yeah, I pointed at it, and it was like. All right, yeah, we forgot to put that. Yeah, I forgot to put that on there. I want to blame it on you, though. Okay, so we got.
All right, you got to tuck in the rest of the hose here. Okay, see how this one's all tucked in here?
Yeah, but I didn't. I gotta
put that nut in, yeah. Well, go ahead and get that hose tucked in at least. It's got to follow down the V.
Oh, right here. Look, see, there's a little.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna ride with you. Move here. your badges and stuff. Your bulletproof vest. Oh man. Somebody's impatient.